Now, when you arrive inside Trendpressr's admin area, the first thing that you're going to be asked for are the default keywords that relate specifically to the niche that your site is targeting around. However, those keywords can be adjusted in any of the individual posts or pages as suits. This just makes life a little bit easier because when you arrive at one of those posts, you'll see that these default keywords have already been added. Now, the other settings that are already prepared are the trend period is already set for 2004 to present, but you can alter and adjust that to suit the work that you're planning on doing. You can also change the area, the location you're searching for. And what Trendpressr is going to do, as you can see here, is it's going to list all of the popular keywords at the top and then the important trending keywords. And as you can see here, we've got some breakout keywords, and there's a lot of breakout keywords here, which means there's been a lot of activity on those. But let's say we want to change the period and update the results. And as you can see, we've already got quite a different set of results for trending. And what you'll notice with Trendpressr is those do change. Now, the other thing that Trendpressr is going to do is it's going to help you with some of your search engine optimization on site by optimizing your tags, optimize the meta keywords, and optimizing the images. You can see where previously a save has added some of those keywords. The tags have been saved here and the images have been optimized here. So this is the work that Trendpressr is going to be doing just to make life so much easier. But let's look at some of the advantages of having Trendpressr installed on any niche site that you own. Now, let's say, for example, weight loss being another niche that you might focus a build around, and you're going to want to build content and write content that's going to be as interesting, informative, and pick up on those trending keywords so that Google registers those really quickly and starts pushing them up the ranking. So Vicky Patterson is trending at 550% rise in the past 90 days. So that's a good keyword to build some content around. And you could also pick up on some of the other top trending keywords. Now let's have a look at another example. Getting inspiration, for example, for diet and low carb diet, a ketogenic diet, a paleo diet recipes, the Mediterranean diet. So these are all important keywords. These two here are breakout keywords. So remember, that means that they're over 1,000% rise in interest. And let's go and take a look at another in a similar niche, juicing and juice recipes. So again, we can see what are the most popular, what are the most high rise trend keywords to focus your content on. And again, remember that what's going to happen then is it gives you inspiration to know what to write about, but it also importantly picks up on what Google is going to take more notice of more quickly. So let's go to another example, Bitcoin mining and Bitcoin. So we can see we've got more breakout keywords here. Dogecoin mining, Dogecoin. These are both trending in both of the keywords that I've featured. And you could easily do a quick Google search just to learn a little bit more about that and build your content around it. What's really important, of course, is to remember that you're going to include these keywords that you're choosing as your headline keywords. They're going to be in your titles, your H1 title, your H2 subtitle, and your H3 subtitle. You're going to use these keywords and feature those without overdoing it. Use some latent semantic keywords as well. Now you get some inspiration for some of those because it tends to follow that whatever Trendpressr throws up for you is going to be an example of some of the related keywords in that particular list. So that's going to make life again a little bit more easy. You can just pick a few of these and add them into your content to make it more interesting and more relevant to Google when it goes into search. So there you go. This is just how easy it is to use Trendpressr, and you can see all of the advantages to owning this plugin and installing it on all of your sites, whatever the niche is, and get started right away